Hi, in this video I will teach you about nouns, the proper nouns and the common nouns. The question is, what is noun? Nouns are names of persons, animals, things, places, events, and ideas. How about common nouns? What is common nouns? Common nouns talk about general names of persons, animals, things, places, and events. Examples: boy, dog, car, school, holiday. Let us proceed to proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper nouns talk about specific names of persons, animals, things, places, and events. For example, Kyle, Snoopy, Toyota, Independence Day. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in this video.